Hi everyone, my name is Eryn and I'm a fourth-year undergraduate student studying immunology and psychology at the University of Toronto.
This is Piper, a rescue dog I adopted from Paris, Texas.
Piper recently got DNA tested by a cool company called Embark, and if you're anything like me, you're going to want to know
what's the science behind it. Let's begin by discussing genes, chromosomes, and DNA. DNA, short for deoxyribonucleic acid, is the molecule that our body uses to make up its blueprint. DNA is well known for its double helix structure. Genes are segments of DNA that code for specific proteins in the body. Humans have 2 copies of each gene, one from their mom and one from their dad, and an individual copy of these genes is called an allele. Finally, DNA is organized into a tightly coupled structure called a chromosome. Each individual has 23 pairs of chromosomes, which adds up to 46 chromosomes in total. It's important to know the difference between a genotype, a phenotype, and a trait. An individual's genotype refers to the collection of all their genes. And in contrast, a phenotype is their set of physical characteristics which can be influenced by their genotype. And finally, a trait refers to a specific characteristic which can be influenced by both genes and/or the environment. There are several different ways that we inherit genes from our parents. I've bolded the ones I'll be discussing with you today. If an allele is dominant, it means that only one allele is necessary to display the observed phenotype. While on the other hand, a recessive allele needs 2 copies to be observed. An example of this is the Merle coat pattern on Piper's face. The Merle gene is a dominant gene, which means that even though Piper only has one allele, she still has the characteristic Merle patterning. Looking at incomplete versus codominance, the difference between the two is that in incomplete dominance, one copy of both alleles lead to a blended phenotype, while codominance means that both alleles are expressed equally. Multiple drug sensitivity in dogs is an example of a trait caused by a codominant gene. Because each allele is expressed, a dog like Piper lacking one copy has a reduced expression of a protein necessary to properly handle drugs in her body.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And have a great day!